symbol NVIC, currently traded at 0181. Looking at this chart here, this has been a heck of a downtrend for quite some time. I mean, you guys had right here, went down, popped back up to $1.45. But looking at the whole, I mean, wow, yeah, you guys had a big move over here in 2014 all the way up to 270. But we're going to zoom in right now, way down here, and take a look at this at 0181. Looking at the history, obviously it's a downtrend, but hey, if you can go ahead and capitalize on those times where it bounces, of course, why not? Why not take that opportunity to make a few bucks on it if it's possible? That being said, I mean, look at there's definitely a lot of selling going on here today, though. I mean, on the 9th, you guys gapped up on the 10th, and then today it gapped down to close up, or I'm sorry, to get back up to the 0181. It's trying. I mean, it's definitely trying. I would put it on a watch. I mean, that's just about it. Not necessarily an alert or anything, because I would like to see this thing get through the 30-day simple moving average. But like I said, it's close. It's very close to it right now at the 2 cent mark. Watch for a 2 cent break. If you see that 2 cent break, I mean, this thing's gonna probably pop. Trade it for what it is. I mean, what else can you say? Right now with the volume at 816,000 shares traded.
All right, so I mean, there's not these guys. They're a QB, and they're obviously up to date on all their filings and everything else, but they're not big on putting out publications and stuff. So their latest press release was in October of 2016. It was N-Viro International announces Jackson project guidance. So maybe this is what's good. Like, when you go back on something and you see where something's going now. So maybe this has something to do with, today's movement and where things are starting to go, I guess. So N-Viro International Corporation offers an update for the Jackson China project development. The proposed heads of terms agreement will allow the project to be executed in 2 phases. Phase 1 is expected to rapidly deploy the N-Viro fuel technology to process 500 metric tons of wastewater biosolids per day into fuel product to be used in combustion power generation. Phase 2 is expected to commence immediately thereafter and utilize the N-Viro fuel with gasification process for captive utility generation and grid connection. So the Jackson area has experienced significant growth over the past, and this trend is expected to continue. So the Jackson United Sewage Wastewater Treatment Plant is currently undergoing expansion, and the ongoing plan would incorporate the N-Viro facility to accommodate up to 1,500 metric tons of biosolids per day. Additionally, the company expects to have discussions relating to other projects within the area commence soon after the Jackson project is finalized. Let's see where they say the N-Viro International Corporation and its sister company, N-Viro Energy Limited, expected to actively engage project engineers in project design this year. The expectation is to begin construction in the first half of 2017 and facilitating commissioning in the second half of the year. So that was the last update from them, like in regards to a press release. I don't know if they did some on their website or whatnot. And then the filings on them. There was an 8K on January 9th. I'm going to pull that up really quick. It was on December 21st, Gene K. Richard, a member of N-Viro International Corporation's board of directors, submitted his resignation. That's pretty much that. That's the latest 8K. And then the 10Q is from November 21st. So I'm seeing like a sharp decline in revenues. You figure in 2015, for the 9 months ended in September 30th, it was 954,000. And then the 9 month that in 2016 was 300,125. And 2015 for the 3 month was 280,000, with the 3 month being in 2016 51,000. But I mean, obviously, this is always a reason. So that's where you go and look into, well, why. You understand? Because I mean, I want to know more about this project, obviously, and see more about what's going on with them. Because obviously, they have some kind of like a technology to do whatever. And obviously, I don't really know much about it because I'm looking into it for the last like 3 or 4 minutes. So if you're like myself and you want to continue doing your due diligence on this company, you go to the NVIC board over there on Investors Hangout, and from there you could look at the company profile and read more into the company, bring you to the company's website. You could also see the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, which is very important. You always want to go through all the filings and the financials, the buy rating. And if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that are using the site daily by posting over there on the NVIC board.
All right, with the chart one more time, 0181, watch for the break of the 02, could pop in my opinion. Otherwise, 01 must hold. If not, could keep dropping. Play it safe. That's just my personal opinion on the chart. Joe gave you guys a little bit of information on the company as well. If you follow the stock, I definitely encourage you to get out there and share this video with all other investors. And if you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live.